Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Aggiano. I am the Manager of Spirits Education and Development here at Horizon Beverage. And today we're going to make a low ABV cocktail using the Fever Tree lineup of mixers. We have a little bit of Zucca, which is a rhubarb-based digestif that we're going to use in contrast with the Aromatic Tonic Water, which is a new product from Fever Tree. The Aromatic Tonic Water has a little bit of Angostura bark, which will work very nicely with the bitterness of the Zucca. And it's one, a low ABV cocktail, and two, it kind of has the calming, warming qualities that you're looking for in a tall highball. Very simple recipe. Essentially, we're taking 1.5 ounces of the Zucca, into a tall Collins glass, adding a little bit of ice. We're going to top that almost all the way with the Aromatic Tonic Water from Fever Tree. Then at the very top, we're just going to add a little bit of crushed ice. If you don't have access to crushed ice, you can simply mash up or muddle up some ice into a shaker tin with a muddler like we did here. On the very top, we're going to use our Fee Brothers Peach Bitters. Add 5 dashes right on top. And that's today's cocktail, featuring the Aromatic Tonic Water from Fever Tree, a little bit of the Zucca Rhubarb Digestif, and Fee Brothers Peach Bitters right on top. Cheers.